Thermal Dynamics Cutmaster 70 Plus Plasma Cutter Review. Real power, portable proof. There's a specific kind of frustration that hits when your plasma cutter stalls mid-cut on a job that needed finishing an hour ago. I watched a fabricator restart 3 times on a single piece of angle iron because his machine couldn't hold the arc. Gloves on, patience gone. If that sounds familiar, drop a comment below and let me know. The real cost isn't just the ruined material. It's the grinding weight of reset after reset, the searing smell of a wasted consumable, and the creeping stress of a deadline slipping away. One shop tech told me he lost 2 hours on a simple cut job because his machine kept overheating. There has to be a cleaner, faster, more controlled way forward. Then I discovered the Thermal Dynamics Cutmaster 70 Plus plasma cutter, and everything clicked. Don't just grab any plasma cutter. Make sure it has a 70 amp output with a 100% duty cycle at 50 amps, so you never deal with frustrating thermal shutdowns mid-cut again. This machine introduced me to real industrial reliability in a 39-pound chassis you can actually carry. The 4.3-inch TFT LCD display reads clearly through gloves, so adjustments happen fast without pulling your hand out of the heat zone. The SL61 torch with Black Series consumables lasts up to 60% longer than standard options, which quietly adds up to serious savings. Switch between normal and great cutting modes depending on your material, and let the post-cut air purge extend consumable life automatically. The CNC-ready 14-pin interface means this machine grows with your operation. One fabricator was seconds from missing a structural deadline when he grabbed the Cutmaster 70 Plus mid-shift, switched to 4T trigger mode, and ran 500 feet of angle iron clean without stopping. That's composure built into hardware. Long-term benefits come next. Once you find your rhythm with this machine, the workflow changes in ways that compound quietly over time. Setup becomes faster. Cuts stay cleaner. Your focus sharpens because the tool isn't fighting you anymore. A garage welding reviewer gave the Cutmaster 70 Plus a 95 out of 100 for heavy-duty performance, specifically calling out its ability to handle plates up to 1 1/8 inches more efficiently and reduce time on larger assemblies. That's not marketing language. That's a tested result. A professional fabricator who tested it live on video noted the arc was smooth and precise across 500 feet of half-inch angle iron without a single hesitation. An ESOB business analysis pointed out that crews bringing the machine to the work rather than moving assemblies to a stationary cutter saved measurable time per shift. One verified buyer added that the build quality around the torch and connectors gave him genuine confidence during longer production runs. Some people hesitate at the price point. That's fair. But when Black Series consumables last 60% longer and the 3-year warranty covers the power supply, the long-term operating cost looks very different. What would fewer shutdowns actually save your shop each week? If cleaner cuts, fewer shutdowns, and a machine that genuinely keeps pace with demanding work matter to your shop or field operation, the Thermal Dynamics Cutmaster 70 Plus plasma cutter deserves a serious look. Fabricators and maintenance professionals across industrial environments are already running it daily with consistent results. Results may vary depending on application and material. Smart investment, lasting reliability. Check the affiliate link in the description or the pinned comment below and come experience the difference this plasma cutter makes in your workflow today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.